Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to take out HPI Maverick QuntumR Flux. I got some hoons on there to go slip and slide. I just put in some SpeedTek RC gears. Let's see, 21 tooth pinion and a 42 tooth spur. So mod 1. We're gonna go I'll leave links down below for those gears, and let's go rip it. I got it on only doing 4S, but I do have a 6S Spectrum system in it. I did speed runs with this bad boy. I got it up to I think I got it up to 98 miles an hour, and then it just kept lifting in the air, just kept floating. So with this body, I was trying to do it with the stock body. As you can see, it's pretty it's pretty hammered. The back of it, the wings gone, but she's still a fun truck. Definitely I got a new body for it. Gonna paint it up one of these days and be like my shelf queen body, right out drifting around body. Let's get in here. I think the dual rate is probably down to nothing. Yeah. Let's turn that bad boy all the way back up. Ah, there we go. Had everything turned down. I got the front and rear diffs locked, so that probably ain't helping none. I wonder if the servo's going out on this thing. Man, you can't even control it. The steering's all jacked up. Look at that thing. It's a mind of its own. Yeah, it needs a new servo or something. It's just all over the place. Yeah, we're gonna have to tune this thing up, guys. We'll take the diffs apart, and I'm pretty sure I have earplugs in there, so we'll take that out, drop some actual fluid in there, some thin stuff, so we can get it drifting a little better. Because that's what I think I'm gonna turn this one back into, like a little, just a dasher like this out here, and then hopefully it'll put a new servo in it, because for some reason this one is just crap. And it doesn't seem like it's the tires, because they're going back and forth, you know, they're not sticking. Very hard to control. I'm barely touching on the throttle and it just wants to spin out. I know it's because both diffs are locked, or almost locked. It took a lot of force to turn them, so that's why I'm pretty sure there's earplugs in there. So they should clean up easy. The earplugs just pick it out, pour some liquid in there, figure out why the servo is all whacked out. I did crash it, but I thought I fixed everything on it, so but this is fun too, just doing donuts. One more good one. There we go. Let's see if we can get it airborne. Ah. Alright guys, yeah. I thought I had it. I should have tested it at home. Find out what was. We'll put I got a SpeedTek RC servo at home. Probably be decent for this one. We'll try it. Get rid of the stock one. I mean, like I said, it seems to be working. I just don't know why it's sticking and all of a sudden wanders off. Not unless it is the disc. Maybe we'll do the disc first, and then test it. And then if that's no good, then we'll put a new servo in it. Cause I even have a glitch buster in there, so I wanted to make sure the speed runs were all right. But Maybe throw a fan on it. Ooh, that bad boy's warm. Yeah, there's nothing hitting. I mean, even the body, if it... even pushed up there, it's not really touching. It's a little bit, but not much. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on there. We'll have to mess with it. So, it might be because the diffs are locked. So, we'll do that. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.